Do you want to rebuild search index in Windows 11 or 10? Then you are at the right place, as we have the ways to do so. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. If you find that search results are missing, no longer valid, or incorrect, then the search index may not be up to date, in which case you can manually rebuild the index to force it to update. In this video, we will show you the two ways to rebuild the search index if it is not working, as it should, on your Windows 11 or 10 device. Let's get started. Method 1. Rebuild search index via control panel. To rebuild search index via control panel in Windows, press Windows key plus R to invoke the Run dialog. In the Run dialog box, type Control and hit Enter to open control panel. You can follow this link. Set the View by option to large icons or small icons. Click Indexing options. Next, click the Advanced button. Now, click the Rebuild button under Troubleshooting. Click OK on the prompt to confirm. The indexing operation will now commence. Click the Close button when the indexing completes and exit Control Panel. Keep in mind that rebuilding the index might take a long time to complete. At any time, you can click the Pause button to stop rebuilding the index. Method 2. Rebuild search index using batch file. To rebuild search index using a batch file in Windows as described in this guide, open the Run command box. In the Run dialog box, type Notepad and hit Enter to open Notepad. You can follow this guide. Copy and paste either of the code below into the text editor. You can also copy and paste this from the description below. Save the file to the desktop with the name and append the .bat file extension, for example, sirebuild.bat, and on the Save As Type box, select All Files. To run the batch file, right-click the saved file and select Run as Administrator from the context menu. Click Yes on the UAC prompt to save. The search index will now start to rebuild in the background. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.